My mate Paul, we're doing a trip down to the Algarve, and look at this beautiful geological example, the crustiness of the surface, the underlying sand deposit, and how it's all collapsed in to form this amazingly deep cove. And as you can see, that it goes down and down and down, and on a stormy day like this, as you can see from that outcrop there, the waves are crashing in. And then as you go along this headland, and in Portugal on the Algarve on the western coast, they have these amazing parkland areas where they have stopping points, where they have fantastic walkways, and just look at that. I mean, I'm right on the outcrop here. That's hard to keep this area protected from the sea. But look at that, look at the striation. You can see how the volcanic activity has pushed the rock up to form these bands and waves, and just gently. And you can see this hard bit in the middle, which has been preserved and become a stack. And you can see there's a cave that's being opened up by the sea and by the rain from the top, and all of a sudden that will become an arch. You know, once in 1,000 years maybe, or even in a storm. But you can see how they use the pebbles to crack away at the softer deposit and erode the headland. So, and there's Cape St Vincent. That is the furthest part of Western Europe. Look at that. Wow. And it's surfer's paradise. My mate who's a surfer, he hasn't seen waves like this. You can imagine. Not on this beach, obviously. But anyway, follow us, click and follow, and I'll show you some other interesting things in Portugal on the Algarve.